Smashing Pumpkins?
Like the band?
This is impossible! No!
Tonight!
We're about to smash pumpkins.
Let's smash some pumpkins.
Now you can smash the pumpkin.
Just take this! I don't want that on. Hold this! Daddy! This is impossible!
No, it's possible.
It is possible, but it's very hard.
Alright, which pumpkin? Smash that one.
That's it.
Here, stand next to it so you're not in the way of the camera.
Okay. Get it!
Alright, get out of there.
Okay, can you please hold this?
Yeah, there's like a cave in there. Don't fall in the cave.
Okay. I hope this works, guys.
Oh, that was a good hit. Do it again.
I'm cracking it! The pumpkin is cracking! Whatever move was that?
Go finish it off.
You are devoured!
I'm going to take a practice hit right there first.
Okay. Dude, let go! Smash it again!
Let me get another hit on that thing.
Smash it again. That would be crazy. I wanted to hit the big one. That's the first hit.
It looks like you're jamming the hammer into the thing.
That's how I do a pumpkin smashing.
Oh yeah, that was a good hit. Why don't you golf it?
Golf it? Okay.
And golf it.
It worked. It's alright. Woo! That piece is ready to come off. What?
Oh yeah.
I got finished this one!
Yeah!
You're gonna be devoured soon! I can't smashing something with a ginormous hammer is crazy. Okay. Now, time! You get devoured! Okay.
Oh!
Yeah. Okay. Dun 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 dun.